Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out the top 5 best Samsung tablets in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these Samsung tablets, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab E. With the Samsung Galaxy Tab E 7300 mAh battery, you get more time for watching TV shows, browsing the internet and reading your favorite e-books. It's the ideal entertainment device for all car rides, waiting rooms and rare moments of downtime during your day. Samsung Galaxy Tab E allows you to expand your memory up to an additional 128 GB and bring along all your essentials when you're on the go. With a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and 1.5 GB of RAM, you're looking at a device that should be able to easily cope with everyday tasks, from running games and playing film to browsing the internet and opening documents. Unlike other smart devices, if you have a couple of other apps running in the background, reviews suggest that this shouldn't slow things down too much for its price. From the design perspective, it has a sleek portable design. The 1280 by 800 resolution display is big enough and clear enough for watching films and playing games with a clear picture. Although, this tablet isn't suggested for photo shooting or whatsoever, since it's made by a 5-megapixel camera on the rear and a 2-megapixel snapper the front. However, if you've got a half-decent phone camera, you won't be taking many pictures with your tablet. While the Galaxy Tab E is running the relatively old version 4.4 KitKat of Android, it does everything you need a basic tablet to do. The Samsung Galaxy Tab E offers you premium, complimentary apps from Samsung Galaxy Essentials, for a better optimized tablet experience. It also offers you secure experience for your children, since you can turn on the kids mode that prohibits and censors various apps and sites that you don't want your kids to visit. So, if you are looking for a tablet with an average price and satisfying performances, then Samsung Galaxy Tab E is your answer. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A has an 1.6 GHz Exynos octa-core processor, and it uses Android 6.0 Marshmallow. We can easily confirm from these two specs that this tablet is worthy of its price. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, and also, as other Android smart devices, you can add up to 128 GB of additional storage to your 16 GB. This tablet has stunning colors with a 10.1-inch display which makes the images appear sharp, and colors were bright and vibrant, but still accurate. However, this tablet takes some time to launch at first start games, but as you go on with that, the tablet will give you a realistic game experience that will satisfy any user. The viewing angles are good too, and you won't face any problems using the tablet in the sunlight as well, which is a huge advantage. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A can handle multitasking without any problems. You can even try doing various things at once and you won't face any latency. The cameras of the tablet do a decent job. In terms of camera, the device offers 8MP rear camera with LED flash and a 5MP front camera. The selfie camera does a good job. Don't compare it to the front-facing camera of selfie-centric smartphones, because it doesn't match up to them. But you surely can click clear selfies which look even better with beauty feature on. The battery of the tablet lasts for over a day with usage that involves navigation, watching YouTube videos, browsing the internet and listening to music. Overall, we think that at its price, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A is a good buy. It has a sturdy built-in design, a vibrant display and is a performer. So, if you are looking for a great design tablet with no flaws and great performance capabilities compared to other tablets for this price, then Samsung Galaxy Tab A is your choice. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 10.1 is a solid choice for general family usage, internet browsing, watching a few movies, and replying to emails. Samsung is offering the 4th generation Galaxy Tab in 3 different sizes, 10.1, 8, and 7 inches. The Galaxy Tab 4 has impressive specifications, they are sufficient for a relatively reasonable cost. It uses an Android version of 4.4 KitKat OS, which it is a bit old compared to Samsung smartphones, but mostly for tablets, Samsung only uses old versions of Android. 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm processor will keep you satisfied, nonetheless it has 16 GB of flash memory and 1.5 GB of RAM memory, and also the battery life is extended up to 10 hours of usage. It has a WXGA display of 1280 by 800 resolution, with sharp and vibrant colors that will keep your eyes satisfied at all times. This tablet has 2 slots of 64 GB of memory available through a micro SD and 50 GB of free Dropbox storage, which is obviously more than you will need if you are planning on using this tablet on random daily basics. What makes this tablet special is that it comes with over $300 of free content and services. It is also why we put this tablet number 3 and why we think it's best for you, because you will find everything you need in this tablet. This tablet also has an IR blaster which will allow you to use the tablet as an universal remote, to search TV listings and receive recommendations. Create a separate profile for your kids and switch to Kids Mode, a child-friendly interface that is fun and easy to control. Parents can track the time their kids spend and even set preferences to manage which features their children can access. However, if you are looking for an comfortable, expandable tablet and great free features, then Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 is your answer. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is the best Android tablet to date, compared to other tablets at its price, headlined by an HDR-ready screen, 4 powerful speakers and an upgraded S Pen that's included in the box. Samsung tablets and phones already have the best screens going, with bright and pixel-dense Super AMOLED display panels. Now, by including HDR technology, Samsung is making them even better. High Dynamic Range (HDR) gives the same 2048 by 1536 Quad HD resolution, higher contrast ratios and brighter highlights. This is especially important in darker movie scenes in which you tend to lose too much of the picture to shadow. The Tab S3's support of the new HDR10 standard is actually a bigger deal than if Samsung packed a 4K screen into a 9.7-inch tablet. The expanded brightness range does more than extra pixels would at this small size, and more pixels matter when you're dealing with a larger 4K television. What you can take advantage of right now are the quad speakers on the Tab S3. They reach a more powerful volume than what we've heard from the mono Tab S2 and so many other tablets. The Galaxy Tab S3 is Samsung's best travel-friendly 2-in-1 tablet that can pull off productivity. Visually speaking, it has an elegantly designed glass and a metal tablet design. It is more comfortable to hold than its other older ancestors. The Tab S3 looks and feels like a blown-up Samsung Galaxy S7 phone, with a useful physical fingerprint sensor home button, and back and recent capacitive buttons aligned at the bottom. For tablet's hierarchy, this tablet dominates with its 13MP rear camera and 5MP front camera for video chats. It has an expandable memory of 256 GB, which is more than enough to store movies, personal things and documents. You can multitask easily and quickly with the Tab S3's quad-core processor, which allows you to share files wirelessly fast, get notifications fast and even take calls from your tablet since it has slots for 2 SIMs. Overall, this tablet is completed in every aspect and we highly recommend it. To finish up our list, at number 1 we have the Samsung Galaxy Book. The 10.6-inch Galaxy Book is Samsung's most affordable Windows 2-in-1 tablet and laptop at the same time to date. With a compact design, bundled keyboard and stylus, it's the complete package for anyone who wants to take notes on the fly and doesn't want a full-size laptop weighing them down. The Samsung Galaxy Book is a Windows tablet with the latest Intel Core M processor, which makes this the perfect PC laptop replacement, featuring Samsung Flow, which seamlessly connects your 2-in-1 to your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. For the 10.6-inch Galaxy Book, Samsung has used a 1920 by 1280 resolution LCD panel, which is the same density as, say, a full HD TV but with some additional height. With better black levels, the display on the Galaxy Book looks brighter and shows more details compared with the IPS displays on the Huawei MateBook and Surface Pro 4. This tablet is about getting the full power of a laptop in a thin, lightweight design. It goes with an S Pen and a keyboard, which also has a quick start guide to help you get through. The S Pen comes with a plastic loop that sticks to the keyboard cover for storage. The keyboard also acts as the tablet's cover and stand. But it's not a kickstand, it's more DIY origami stand. The Galaxy Book introduces a magnet to be used for the steepest stand position, which makes it easy to get things into place. 4 GB of RAM is the special case here, because that's a lot to be stored in a tablet, and internally speaking 128 GB of storage is the advantage over the other tablets. The Galaxy Book has 2 USB-C ports on its right side. That's important because it means there is a free port when you're charging the tablet with the included USB-C cable and quick charger. The only other I/O port is a headset jack, also on the right side panel. So, if you are looking for a tablet that can be also both PC, laptop considering its performances, then Samsung Galaxy Book is your answer. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video helped you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to them, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.